Hello, it's Thursday the 7th of December 2010 and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFXBank. The dollar weakened against most majors owing to the ADP employment change. This showed that companies in the US cut an estimated 84,000 jobs in December. Nasdaq fell by 0.33% and Dow Jones rose by 0.02%. Crude traded near a 14-month high in New York as an industry report showed a decline in US crude inventories, strengthened by 1.7%, closed at $83.18 a barrel. Gold rose by 1.6%, closing at $1,136.05 an ounce. Today, unemployment claims is expected to rise from 432,000 to 449,000. The dollar declined against the euro as minutes of the Federal Reserve's December 15th and 16th meeting showed policymakers debated increasing and extending asset purchases should the economy weaken. The pair has trampled in the last few days. If the price goes above 145, the momentum is bullish. Overall, the euro dollar traded with a low of 142.83 and a high of 144.34. The pound slightly rose versus the dollar after UK December services sector rose slightly in December to 58.8 versus 56.7 forecast. Today the investors will be set for the interest rate decision of the BOE that is expected to leave the rate at 0.5%. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 159.38 and a high of 160.64. The dollar traded near the lowest in almost 2 weeks against the yen as signs of an uneven recovery in the US weaken speculation the Federal Reserve will make an early end to its efforts to keep interest rates low. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 91.52 and a high of 92.74. The CAD gained for a 5th straight day versus the dollar, its longest running streak since October, as gold rose and crude oil, the nation's biggest export, touched the highest level in almost 15 months. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 103.12 and a high of 104.09. Today, IVPMI is expected at 52.2 versus 55.9 prior. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at ufxbank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.